In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a task in ClickUp. This is a simple process, but it's an important one because keeping task names clear and up-to-date makes your workspace easier to manage. A well-named task helps you quickly identify what needs to be done, especially when you're working with long lists or collaborating with a team. To begin, open ClickUp and navigate to the list that contains the task you want to rename. Make sure you're in the correct list before moving forward, since tasks can sometimes have similar names across different spaces or folders. Once you've found the task, click on it to open the task window. This will bring up the full task details, where you can make changes directly. At the top of the task window, click on the current task name. This makes the title editable. When the text becomes active, delete the existing task name completely. If you only need to make a small adjustment, you can also edit part of the name instead of removing everything, but in this example, we're replacing the full title. Now type in the new task name. Try to make it specific and easy to understand at a glance. Clear naming can save time later when you're scanning your task list or searching for work. After entering the new name, press Enter on your keyboard to save the change. You can also click anywhere outside the task name field if you prefer. Either action will confirm the update and apply the new task title. Once the task name has been saved, close the task window. This takes you back to your list view, where you can quickly verify that everything updated correctly. Finally, look at the task in the list and confirm that the new task name is now showing. This last check is helpful because it ensures the change was saved successfully and that the updated title appears exactly the way you want it. And that's it. Renaming a task in ClickUp only takes a few seconds, but it can make your workflow much more organized and efficient. If you update task names regularly to reflect progress, priorities, or changing project details, your workspace will stay much easier to navigate. Thanks for watching.